Hey y'all, welcome back to KidVentures. Today we're going to be looking at how to replace the blade on a miter or chop saw. My saw is a 12-inch KOBALT miter saw. If you're using a different saw, make sure to check your manual to look for any inconsistencies in instructions. Let's take a look at the list of tools we're going to need for this installation. You're going to need a wrench or a socket wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver, and of course you're going to need a replacement blade for your saw. It's extremely important that you make sure to get the right kind of saw blade for your specific saw. You need to make sure the arbor size is correct. You need to look at all the specifications for your saw and buy an appropriate blade. Step 1, unplug your saw. Step 2, release the cutting head lock and allow the blade to travel upwards. Next, we're going to release this screw on the cover plate. Do not remove the screw entirely, only loosen it. With the blade cover screw loosened, go ahead and push the blade guard in an upward direction, which will also push the blade cover back. This exposes the arbor bolt, which you're going to be loosening to take the saw blade off. Now there's a button on the opposite side that locks the arbor bolt into place. Go ahead and press this while rotating the saw blade. It will lock, allowing you to loosen the arbor bolt. Using your socket wrench, or blade wrench, go ahead and turn the arbor bolt clockwise to loosen it. Please note this is the opposite direction you would normally turn a bolt to loosen it. When it comes off, pull the blade collar off as well, and the blade. Do not remove the inner blade collar. Go ahead and grab your replacement blade, and now we're going to conduct the same steps in reverse order. Insert the blade, grab the blade collar, grab the arbor bolt, insert it, and thread it on counterclockwise instead of clockwise, and then tighten it counterclockwise. Once again, you'll need to have the arbor lock button depressed in order to hold the blade in place as you're tightening the arbor bolt. And that's all there is to it. At this point, your new blade should spin freely and should be on the arbor tightly. Thanks for joining us again today for another video guide courtesy of KidVentures. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.